In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use merge tags in Mailchimp. Merge tags are little bits of code that let you personalize your emails automatically. Instead of sending a generic message to everyone, you can greet people by their first name, show their email address, or even include their company name, all pulled directly from your audience data. First, log into your Mailchimp account. On the left-hand side, look for the section labeled Campaigns and click it. This will open a list of all the campaigns you've created. Find the campaign you want to personalize. On the right side of that campaigns row, you'll see an edit button. Click that and you'll be taken to a full preview of your campaign. On the email preview, look to the right and click Edit Design to open the email editor. Inside the editor, you'll see a panel on the left with different content blocks. Find either a heading block or a paragraph block, depending on where you want your personalized text to appear. Click, drag, and drop that block into the spot in your email where you want to add your greeting or message. Once it's placed, click into the block and start typing. For example, you might start with "Hi" and then add the merge tag for first name. To insert the first name merge tag manually, type an asterisk, then a vertical bar symbol, then F-name, then another vertical bar, and finally another asterisk, all without any spaces. It should look like this when you type it: star, bar, FNAME, bar, star. This tells Mailchimp to pull the first name from your audience list for each contact. It's also a good idea to add a fallback in case a contact doesn't have a first name saved. Right after the merge tag, you could type "there" and then an asterisk attached to it, with no space before the asterisk. That way, if Mailchimp does not have a first name, the email will display "Hi there" instead of leaving an awkward blank. There are other useful merge tags you can use as well. Typing email in all caps with the same asterisk and bar format will pull in the subscriber's email address. Using name in all caps will insert their last name, and company in all caps will insert their company name. You can mix and match these tags to create a message that feels tailored to each person, while still writing just one email. Once you're happy with your personalized text and overall design, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save and Exit. That will save your changes and bring you back to your campaign overview, with your merge tags ready to go when you send your email.